Buongiorno, belli amici. Welcome to Calabria Dreaming. I have a fabulous, massive rental for you in the heart of Montepaone. It is 5 minutes walking to a mall, 5 minutes walking to the beach, 2 minutes walking to my gym. Okay, it's huge, it's great for families, and it's really, really beautiful. This house belongs to my friends that are from Sweden. And hey, Santi alla svenska där ute. If you don't know, I grew up in Sweden, and they are just the best people ever. They have a beautiful house that my friend Maurizio's dad made a lot of the wooden details of the house. I'm going to take you through it. It's so beautiful, and he handmade a lot of it. It's a really beautiful house. So as you walk into the gate, right? So this is your gate right out here, and the location, I have some drone footage for you guys today. So there you see the house on the corner, and just a 5-minute walk, you see the beautiful epic beaches of Montepaone Lido. There's an underpass under the freeway, and you just literally takes 5 minutes to walk there and look at the beautiful green hills. Truly, it does not get any better. You are walking distance to everything. So you have this private patio. So this doorway is only for you. There is an apartment here downstairs, but they have a separate entrance. So this is totally yours. So you have this, look at this barbecue pit over here. You could grill some meat. And then you have this gorgeous seating area and a hammock. It's very relaxing out here. I have spent many nights out here with my friends having a good time eating and drinking and just having a blast. So here's your outdoor area. Now let's go up to the apartment. It is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, massive house. So like I said, private entryway, private hallway. This is all yours. So this is your trash area. So you don't have to keep it upstairs. An extra fridge. So these are the details that I was talking about, these handmade wooden details. And this wood comes from Gasparina, and he was a carpenter. So a lot of the fixtures in here are made by him, and it's so cute. And my friends, they live in Sweden, so they have this house and they want to start renting it out. And I've been telling them for years to do it because they're only here a few months out of the year, and it's like, this house is a dream. So as you walk up, it's on the first level. You have this little seating area for your coats, a nice little window. And then look, you guys, let's go in here. Boom. Oh, excuse me. So this door, for example, like the lamps, the chandeliers that he made by hand, the father. So as you walk in, you have this grand hallway coming in. And I love the tile floor in here. I think it really works when it's like this terracotta color and the white walls. And yeah, just so many personalized touches. Like every single lamp in here is made by the father. I'm gonna take you through the house, but first I wanna take you in to the huge kitchen. You guys, look at the size of this. This is very rare in Italy to have this much counter space, a massive table. And again, this like super groovy chandelier that I am kind of obsessed with. I think it is super vintage and retro and cool, and it works if you don't clutter it down. Like that's how they did good in here. And oh my God, there's so many balconies. So the balcony is a wraparound. And so here off the kitchen, yeah, the little cute balcony overlooking the rolling hills of Calabria. Hello. And these rolling green hills are so much fun to walk around in, so incredibly beautiful. So this is the Valley of Montepaone, and it's amazing, you guys. You have to see it for yourself. So here's another shot. So the house is to the corner, and here's the shopping mall. It's literally a 5-minute walk, and it's huge. It's very, very convenient. It has everything you need. And again, right next to the beach. How perfect. Right over here is a shopping mall. There's a McDonald's. There's a huge grocery shop, a Coop it's called. There's a bookstore, shoe store, electronics store, like everything you need, cosmetics, everything, all right? So it's 5 minutes walking to the mall, and then it's 5 minutes walking to the beach as well. So all these like handmade wood pieces of furniture are so cute. And then we walk into the massive living room. You guys, look at this space. It's huge, perfect for a family, maybe 2 families. So massive, super comfortable, wonderful leather couch, big television, and it's super kid friendly. My friend has a kid, he's so cute. Him and Sunny have played, and this area was kind of designated for the kids that they can have fun in the big living room. A nice little seating area over here. And then, of course, balcony and balcony. Again, with beautiful chairs sitting out here. Imagine you have your morning coffee. And so let me explain a little bit about the area. Right behind this building over here is Bob's Pizza, which is like infamous. It's very, very famous here in Calabria. Everybody like loves it. I don't particularly like it because I'm not into Napolitani style pizza, but that's a whole nother video. But so look at this beautiful wraparound. I'm just gonna take you guys around the balcony, okay? And so the drone footage will show you just like where we are, but it is ideal location. So this balcony is to die for. It's a whole nother room out here basically. And each balcony has like a little seating area. So much outdoor space. And then so we come back into the living room once again and look at this lamp. Wow, this is super groovy, man. Super duper groovy. All right, so the living room, voila, fantastic, fabulous. And then a nice little area over here, these beautiful pictures. Östergatan, this is Sweden. So if people don't know, I grew up in Sweden and I speak fluent Swedish. And this is Malmö, and I lived very close to Malmö in a little village called Veberöd. Okay, but I don't want to make this video about myself. Let's make it about the wood. Look at this beautiful coat rack. And so as we walk down towards the sleeping area, oh my God, the bathroom in here is massive. I'm not going to show you that right now. I'm going to show you first bedroom. Hello, with a balcony. Again, with the amazing groovy 70s lamps. Living for the lamps. So super comfortable bed, so much space, so much light. You can go outside, and all of these windows have shutters. So you just close it and you're in total blackout. And then each room has a heater and a air conditioner. So let me show you guys this bathroom. You guys, this you never see in Italy. Hello, good morning. This bathroom is amazing. Bathtub, check. Okay, the bidet is here for all the Italians. Space, look at this like little water feature. And then washer, of course. Fabulous, so much space. I love this bathroom. I would spend many hours in here just bathing and luxurifying myself. This is a little storage closet. I'm not going to show you that because she asked me not to. It's just full of crap. So it's a little, it's like a small little room. So here's the foyer, and then look at these beautiful closets, you guys. This wood is incredible. There's something about wood that makes you feel good. I think it's a vibe of wood, the energy of wood. I love it, and I love the white wall with the wood. So here's bedroom number 2. So it has an extra little bed. So, realistically, you could sleep 7 people in here comfortably. So again with the balcony, so much space, again with the lamp. Each balcony has its little seating area, right? Comfortable beds. The mattresses are tried and true. Swedish people, we know what's up, okay? Sweden in the house. And then here is the 3rd bedroom. And these are 2 smaller beds and a big desk. My friend Maurizio is a very, very important businessman. He has like the biggest computer you've ever seen in your life. But yeah, again, lots of space, 2 beds. So if you have kids, this is perfect. If you're working and you need a good working space, this is great. Again, with lamps everywhere. And then here's bathroom number 2. Also very big. Look how nice. So good. So good, you guys. Bidet, shower, enough toilet paper to please any American. You got your toilet, buongiorno, and this lovely hallway. So again, you guys, short-term and long-term availability. It is available. If you are watching this in July of 2024, this apartment is actually available for August. So email me at calabriadreaming@gmail.com, or you can also email Natalia and Maurizio directly, and they will help you with pricing. So it is available long-term, short-term. August 2024, come and get it. You guys, if you don't have a car here in Calabria, you don't need it. You can literally walk to the beach, literally walk to the grocery store, literally walk into town, to the train station, to everything. So it is truly the best location I can think of, close to everything in the heart, and so much space. If you were 7 people in this house, you wouldn't feel crammed or too much people in the house, because you just have so much space, right? And it's good vibes in here. I love this house. I've had good times in here. And Natalia and Maurizio are fabulous. Actually, Maurizio is one of my biggest fans on my YouTube channel, and he always comments funny comments, and it's nice. Anyways, guys, thank you so much for coming with me. I hope to see you guys in beautiful Bella Calabria soon. Ciao.